Hi guys, welcome to today's video. Our today's model is Nuria and we want to show you the beginner version of a pistol squat. What is a pistol squat? A pistol squat is a one leg squat. What we do today is we use this bench to show you how you can do it. So when you have just a chair at home or a couch or something like that, you can do it very easy at home, this exercise. It is not an exercise if you are a beginner in training. You should be advanced, but when you are advanced, we show you the beginner version for an advanced trained person. So, and this exercise has a lot of complexity inside. Therefore, you should look before to our squat videos, because we did a lot of different squat videos to just show you the best version or the best technique. So it's quite complicated. Now we go just into the most important things. But how I say, by the end of that video, as an advanced training person or semi-advanced, you will be able to do that exercise. For what is a pistol squat? It's for your leg, for the front part of your leg, for the back part of your leg, and especially for your glute. So it makes you a nice glute, and therefore just girls like Nuria love that exercise. So what we do now is, in the first round, Nuria shows you how it works. In the second round, I want to invite you, like always, that you jump into our video, that we can do this together. So Nuria, we sit down in the first step to start this exercise. You just sit down on your chair or on your bench. You care about that you have a 90-degree angle in that area. So that means your legs are standing just, I would call it straight. It's not the right word for that, but you have a right angle here, and your feet are just straight to the front. Now you decide with which one you want to start. So we start with the right leg. So what she's doing now is she's bringing the left leg in front, because this left leg will give her now stabilization. So now you bring both arms to your front, exactly. In the next step, after she has leg in front, arms in front, the whole body is straight. While the body stays straight, she goes a little bit to the front. Now she's already standing up, but let's go back again. Yes, sit down. You go a little bit to the front just with your body. Yes. When you have that position, arms in front, leg in front, and a little bit bended like that in front with a straight upper body, and then you have a perfect position to stand up. And now you stand up, and it's not hard anymore. You can feel it in your glute when you are up, because you can pull the glute to the maximum. And then you go slowly down. You sit with your glute back, exactly, get back into the position, and then come in front, and you stand up. That's right. Very important is that you always stabilize your knee and that you stabilize your foot joint. So that means give a slight, very slight press to the side. That means in that case, right leg to the right side to stabilize that. Nuria goes slowly down. She's pressing a little bit just to stabilize it. When I say pressing, means not you press like crazy, right? When I say pressing, that means you press as much that it is not falling into the middle, that is not falling back. You want just to stabilize with your pressing, okay? Just a very slight and soft pressing. That's right, Nuria. And now we go down again. Slowly, yes. In the next step, so this is how I say the beginner version. In the next step, you go up and down, but you just touch very softly the bench. So you don't sit down anymore. You just touch the bench and you come up again. So Nuria, let's go for that. Yes, up. Slowly down. You touch the bench and up. Perfect. Now we do 4 more of that. Yes, 3, 2, 1, and 1 more. Perfect. Very nice. You can stop, Nuria, and we go in the other leg. Please look that you stand straight with your feet. It is okay if it is 5 to 15 degrees in a rotation, but the best would be if you have it quite straight. When you see Nuria is a little bit laying a little bit to the side, this is because she's balancing herself out. It is also possible to do like that. It's completely fine. But on the same time, you can also try to educate yourself to be as stable as possible in the middle. Because when you want to go later down in a very deep pistol squat, so that means that you almost reach the floor, what is the absolute advanced version of that, then you should be able to really balance your body into the right position, because otherwise it's not possible for you to go down. We go now for the left side. Nuria, slowly go up again. Yes, that's right. That's fine. Just make a little bit more straight your right leg now. Yes, go here a little bit more straight. It's better to stabilize. Yes, and go up. That's right. Very nice. I think you can see what she's doing here and how she's working. So how I say, most important, give a little bit press to the side, that your foot joint and that your knee is stable. When you go up, pull as much as you can out of your glute. Hold your upper body straight. So that means even if she is going here in front, the upper body is straight. She just uses it to balance her body, that she's not falling down. Exactly. So you can do it exactly like she did in this set. So sitting always down, but when you have the control of the exercise, just touch it and come up again. And the more and the better you can do it, then try to do it without the bench and to go even deeper and deeper. Just as a tip on this at this point, to go deeper in the pistol squat, it is very important that you have here everything stretched as much as possible. So the better stretched or flexible you are in the quadriceps muscle and also here iliopsoas muscle, that means you can go quite deep in that exercise. Now I want to invite you that you jump on the couch, on the bench, wherever you are, and then do this exercise with us together. This time we will do the exercise from the side. So Nuria, please stand up one time, and I change the bench into this position so that you can see her now from the side perspective very well. Before we start, please again, sit down like Nuria on your bench and deeply breathe in and out. That's right. Deeply breathe in and out. And while you breathe in and out, concentrate on your abs, that you have tense in your abs. Make your upper body as straight as possible. Deeply breathe in and out. And imagine how you do this kind of pistol squats, one leg squats, how you do that by yourself. Imagine that in front of your inner eyes, because this helps you to do the exercise much easier afterwards. So Nuria, we start again. You are ready right now, and we make our first pistol squat. Before, very slowly, so you stand, you have your right leg standing, your left leg is straight, your hands are going in front, your upper body goes to the front while it is straight. This is balancing you out. Do this exercise only if you have healthy bones, healthy knees, healthy foot joints, and especially also a healthy back. And now we start to go up. That's right, perfect. And we go slowly down until we are touching, exactly, and we go up again. That's right. Try to balance it, Nuria, and you too. Maybe you feel already how you start to shake. So try to balance it. Balance your feet joint. Give a little bit pressure to the right knee if you are using right now your right leg, and try to be as stable as possible. Very nice. Normally you are most probably also in your 4th rep, so we do 2 more and 1. Perfect. Hold the tense all the time in your abs, stay straight, and 1 time more. Very nice. We go now to the other leg and do exactly the same again. How I say, hold the tense all the time in your abs. Now your right leg is going completely to the front. Your upper body goes a little bit to the front, and now you stand up. Perfect. Nice. 1. We go slowly down and we go up. 2. Try to be as balanced as possible to the middle. That is helping you. 3. 4. Nice. 2 more. 5. I hope you can feel now what that exercise is doing, which parts of your body are really contracted right now, and where you get your stimuli for growth and stabilization. Nice, Nuria. Very good done. Thank you very much. I guess you understood the way of how to do pistol squats and how to learn it step by step. In another video, we will show you to a later time how you do deep pistol squats. But for today, that's it. Please click the follow button. Please click the please click the bell and just browse through our channel, because we are here that you can level up your fitness, and we try to give you the best knowledge right now here, just that you can do the exercises in a very, very nice way. Thank you very much. I wish you a wonderful day. It's your personal trainer, Chris. Bye.